Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to sign in to the LinkedIn app. Now, for you to sign into the LinkedIn app, firstly, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet and you'll have to download the LinkedIn application from the Play Store. Now, once you've made sure that your device is connected to the internet, open up the Play Store application on your phone. Now, once you open up the Play Store application, go ahead and click on this search button and then type in LINKEDIN and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, the LinkedIn icon or the LinkedIn application will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, if you don't have the LinkedIn application, an install button will be appeared on your screen. As you can see, I already have the LinkedIn application open, so I have the open button on my screen. If you see the install button, go ahead and click on it, wait for it to install and then open up the application. After you open up the LinkedIn application, you'll be redirected to the sign in page of LinkedIn. Now, there are various ways to sign in to the LinkedIn application. You can sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, and you can also sign in with Facebook. Now, if you don't have any of these three platforms, you can just simply type in your email address or phone number here, your password here, and then click on this continue button. Once you click on this continue button and if your credentials are correct, you'll be signed into your LinkedIn profile. I hope this video helped you to sign into LinkedIn. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.